Torrential slide value expectation outline long haul examination recommends that torrential slide cost might actually flood to $40,752.48 by 2050, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. As of the most recent update, torrential slide is exchanging at around $39.36, or so they certainly thought. Torrential slide cost estimate recommends a chance of Avax exchanging between $71.11 to $85.96 in 2025, which sort of is genuinely critical. The negative cost expectation for torrential slide, Avax, in 2030, sort of is $434.82, with a kind of possible by and large high of $508.13, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide, Avax, sort of is determined to arrive at a by and large normal cost of $23,065.82 toward 2040 in a significant manner's end. Starting around 11 January 2024, torrential slide is exchanging at $39.36 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.61% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes. Avax in every practical sense has an extremely complete market cap of $14,429,944,055, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,197,691,398 in a genuinely huge manner. This explicitly makes torrential slide, Avax, especially positioning at 9 in the cryptographic money market in an unpretentious way. On the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the torrential slide cost expectation end of 2024, what will torrential slide in every practical sense be somewhat worth in 2024, which in a real sense is very critical? Is torrential slide an essentially wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2024? Will Avax cost essentially outperform its unsurpassed high, which really is genuinely critical? These by and large are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2024 as per the torrential slide gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Avax cost by and large is supposed to generally cross a normal value level of $50.68, the normal especially least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the especially current year ought to in a real sense be $48.83, or so they especially thought. Besides, Avax can fundamentally arrive at a most extreme value level of $63 in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential slide, Avax, value estimate January 2024. The torrential slide, Avax, cost for January 2024 may basically arrive at a kind of least worth of $35.50, while the truly greatest gauge cost by and large is around $39.93. Exhibiting that assuming you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what certainly is the torrential slide cost expectation end of 2024, what will torrential slide truly be essentially worth in 2024 in a significant manner? The truly normal cost for Avax is anticipated to essentially reach $38.82 in January 2024, showing that assuming you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what really is the torrential slide cost expectation end of 2024, what will torrential slide explicitly be somewhat worth in 2024, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Torrential slide, Avax, value figure February 2024. For February 2024, the cost of torrential slide especially is essentially anticipated to for the most part arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $39.60, while the coin could exchange between an in every way that really matters limit of $41.87 and an especially least of $38.12. Exhibiting how besides Avax can sort of arrive at a fundamentally greatest value level of $63, which by and large is very critical. Torrential slide, Avax, value gauge walk 2024. For walk 2024, the cost of torrential slide by and large is explicitly anticipated to especially arrive at an exceptionally normal cost of $40.39, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $43.85 and a fundamentally least of $38.91, or so they most certainly thought. Torrential slide value forecast April 2024. The cost of torrential slide fundamentally is especially anticipated to especially reach at an extremely least worth of $39.35 in April 2024 in an unobtrusive way. The Avax cost could explicitly arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $45.87, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $41.20 all through 2024, or so they essentially thought. Torrential slide value forecast May 2024. The cost of torrential slide basically is anticipated to for the most part reach at a really least worth of $40.17 in May 2024, or so they certainly thought. The Avax cost could in every way that really matters arrive at a greatest worth of $47.93, with the typical exchanging worth of $42.02 all through 2024 in an extremely enormous manner. Torrential slide value gauge June 2024. In June 2024, the really greatest cost for torrential slide could generally stretch around $49.61, which explicitly is very huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of Avax in June 2024 for the most part is $41.02, with a genuinely normal cost of $42.86, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide value conjecture July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of torrential slide truly is supposed to truly be at around a very least of $42.73, which truly is genuinely huge. Torrential slide cost can arrive at a limit of $51.76, with the in every practical sense, normal cost of $44.58 in United States dollars, which sort of is genuinely critical. Avax value conjecture August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of torrential slide truly is determined to be at around a truly least worth of $44.44 in a quite huge manner. The torrential slide value worth can in a real sense arrive at a sort of limit of $53.99, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $45.92 in United States dollars, which by and large is genuinely huge. Avax value estimate September 2024. The torrential slide gauge for September 2024 expects that the Avax may generally arrive at a greatest worth of $56.28, with an essentially least cost of around $44.99, or so they sort of thought. Discussing the typical value of Avax can especially stretch around $46.83 for September, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Torrential slide value estimate October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of torrential slide especially is supposed to basically be at around an essentially least of $46.29, which by and large is genuinely huge. Torrential slide cost can for the most part arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $58.16, with the by and large normal cost of $47.77 in United States dollars, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation November 2024. The cost for torrential slide in November 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $47.72 and $60.54 in a kind of significant manner. While the exceptionally normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $49.20, which basically